Hey guys and girls, welcome to our first ever video. Hope to get positive reviews on this one. Today we are going to learn how to make a logo with ordinary text. Isn't that crazy? So now let's dive into it. So we'll open our Photoshop, then we create a new document the normal way, the normal style, like make it a default 120. I used 120 by 720. Any size of height is enough for you, whether you're anyhow. So now we choose and we move to, then now we create a new layer. Then we click on our text. System is kind of slow, so please don't be annoyed if you see some shit. Then you do this, you move, choose any size of text, any font, anything you like. Then we can go with, let's see, web, caps lock there, web, oh my god, why am I writing, web NOOB, understand, web NOOB. Then we can press OK. Beautiful. Then we duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then we move this one at the bottom, you move the original one above the copied one, you understand, so it will shift up. Then if we click on the copied one, we click on our move tool, we can move like this, we can bring out the new one, the new text. Then we go on our magic quick selection tool, that is, you can click on it or you can press the letter W. Then you click on the copied tool like this. Now I've clicked on it, then you right click, then my god, no feel, what the fuck is happening? Sorry, that's not it. Go to the text, sorry, click on text, then you can change the color to FFF, any color of your choice. What's up with me today? FFF, any color of your choice. DFF, let's see DFF. Then then you see, so you will deselect it. Let's go to select, click on deselect or press the Ctrl D. Then you can change the name to win copy, you understand. Then you will make a duplicate of this one, like in any area you want. You can press the Alt and the direction key to the left, and to start increasing. You can see it's already increasing, or you can press it to the right and it will be increased, or you can press the bottom or any angle you want. Then beautiful. Now I'm using Photoshop CS6, so in order for us to merge all these copies together, we'll first click on the visibility, click on the visibility, then click on the first one and press the Shift Ctrl E key. So now they've all been meshed together. So if you click on our move tool, you can move them all together. Now we're going to place it right at the back of this original copy. So we'll go like this. And can't you see we already have our text? This is so easy. Then we'll off the background, and still press Shift Ctrl E, and that's all. We already made our logo with our text. Like how many seconds did you use, or minutes? I think up to 2 minutes. Then now we can move them all around. Then we can even add like a little text. We reduce the font size to like 18. Then we can write web NOOB. You can come over here, you can change the color to you can change the color to any color actually. Let's see, 0. Okay, let's see blue. Let's see this blue. Now you can see. You click OK. Now you can see. But today I'm in a good mood, so I'm going to give you guys like a bonus tip. Now we're trying to, once you remove the background, we want to remove the logo only without the white background, because sometimes when I just started Photoshop, well, I'm not a pro graphic designer, I'm a web designer and a web developer. So when I first started the Photoshop, I was trying to create a logo for myself, a brand name for myself. I came up with web NOOB. So now let's dive right into it. So you will click on, you unlock this background layer. See that you unlock the background layer, then you click on, okay, sorry, yes, then you merge this, all of them together, the text and this by pressing the shift control E. Sorry, okay, where's the shift, the control E, then you do this, when you bring out layer, then you click on our select tool. Sorry, you click on the quick selection tool, that will make it easier and faster. Then you do this, select all, select all. That's one beautiful thing about this. Then you right click, then you select the inverse. Now you can click eraser tool, then you click eraser tool, and you like, and you go on the layer 0, and you like, oh my god, save my soul, save my soul, save my soul, save my soul. I'm never seen the back man, tricky crap, blah blah blah, like a derby do, ka. Then after that, you deselect, pressing Ctrl D. Now you have deselected it, then you can crop it. I mean, I love cropping it, just love cropping it. You know that at least you can see. So now I've cropped it. Then whenever I want to save it, you save Ctrl S. Well, I want to save my text, so you choose a PNG. That's like portable notation graphic or something like that, not sure. Then you click on save. So when you click on save, okay, no, cancel, let me save this as first logo, something like that. Then save. So then you click on smallest slow interlist and save. See that? That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and please share this video. Thank you.